How to protect yourself against coronavirus disease 19. Coronavirus disease 19 is an infectious disease caused by a new coronavirus introduced to humans for the first time. It is spread from person to person mainly through the droplets produced when an infected person speaks, cough, or sneeze. The droplets can land in the mouth or nose of people who are nearby. These droplets are too heavy to travel far in the air. They only travel approximately 1 meter and quickly settle on surface. Person-to-person spread mainly through close contacts. This is the reason person-to-person spread is happening mainly between close contacts. The exact time that the virus can survive on surface is not yet known, so it is wise to clean surface regularly, particularly in the vicinity of people infected with coronavirus disease 19. Hand touch many surfaces which can be contaminated with the virus. You should therefore avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth, since contaminated hand can transfer the virus from the surface to yourself. When coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with the bend of your elbow, or use a disposable tissue. If a tissue is used, discard it immediately into a closed bin. In the most effective way to prevent the spread of the new coronavirus is to clean your hands frequently with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. This will eliminate the virus if it is on your hands. Stay healthy and prevent spread of coronavirus disease 19. Wearing a face mask in public to prevent infection. Washing hands. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. If soap and water are not available, avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Eating hot foods. Avoid high-risk areas. Staying home when you are sick. Wash your hands with soap and running water when hands are visibly dirty. If your hands are not visibly dirty, frequently clean them by using alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Protect yourself and others from getting sick. Wash your hands after coughing or sneezing, when caring for the sick, before, during, and after your prepared food, before eating, after toilet use, when hands you are visibly dirty, after handling animal or animal waste. Protect others from getting sick. When coughing and sneezing, cover mouth and nose with fresh elbow or tissue. Roll tissue into closed bin immediately after use. Clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water after coughing and or sneezing. And when caring for the sick, avoid close contact when you are experiencing cough and fever. Avoid spitting in public. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early and share previous travel history with your healthcare provider.